Starting with medical affirmation, letter G, gangrene, mental morbidity, drowning of joy with poisonous thoughts. Affirmations, I now choose to harmonious thoughts and let the joy flow freely through me. Gas pain, flatulence, gripping, fear, undigested ideas. Affirmation, I relax and let life flow through me with ease. Genitals represents the masculine and feminine principles. Affirmation, it is safe to be who I am. Genitals problems, worry about not being good enough. I rejoice in my own expression of life. I am perfect just as I am. I love and approve of myself. G glands represents holding stations, self starting activity. Affirmation, I am the creative power in my word. Glandular fever. C mononucleus nucleosis. Glandular problems, poor distribution of get up and go ideas, holding yourself back. I have the divine ideas and activity I need. I move forward right now. Globus hysterius. C lump in throat. Goiter, hatred of being inflicted upon victim, feeling thwarted in the life, unfulfilled. Affirmation, I am power and authority in my life. I am free to be. Gonorrhea, I need for punishment, a need for punishment for being a bad person. Affirmation, I love my body, I love my sexuality, I love me. G, gout, the need to dominate, impatience, anger. I am safe and secure. I am at peace with myself and with others. Gray hair, stress, a belief in pressure and strain. Affirmation, I am at peace and comfortable in every area of my life. I am strong and capable. G, growths, nursing those old hurts, building resentments. Affirmation, I easily forgive. I love myself and will reward myself with thoughts and praise. Gum problems, inability to back up decisions, wish washy about life. Affirmation, I am a decisive person. I follow through and support myself with love. Alphabet H, I'll have to continue with letter H. Ailment, affirmation, halitosis, rotten attitude while gossip and thinking. Affirmation, I speak and gentleness and love. I exhale only the good. Hands, hold and handle, clutch and grip, grasping and letting go, caressing, pinching, always of dealing with experience. Affirmation, I choose to handle all my experiences with love and with joy and with ease. Hay fever, emotional congestion, fear of the calendar, a belief in presentation, guilt. Affirmation, I am one with all of life. I am safe at all times. Headache in invalidating the self. Criticism, fear, affirmation, I love and approve of myself. I see myself and what I do with eyes of love. I am safe. Heart represents the center of love and security. Affirmation, my heart beats to the rhythm of love. My heart beats to the rhythm of love. Heart attack, squeezing all the joy out of heart in favor of money or position, etc. Affirmation, I bring joy back to the center of my heart. I express love to all. Heart problems, long standing emotional um, problems, lack of joy, hardening of the heart, belief in strain and stress. Affirmation, joy. I lovingly allow joy of flow through my mind and body and experience. H is heartburn, reflux, fear, clutching for affirmation, clutching fear. Affirmation, I breathe freely and fully, I am safe, I trust the process of life. Hematochezia, C. Anorectal bleeding. Hemorrhoids, fear of deadlines, anger of the past. After to let go, feeling burdened. Affirmation, I release all that is unlike love. There is time and space for everything I want to do. Hepatitis, resistance to change, fear, anger, hatred, liver is the seat of anger and rage. Affirmation: my mind is cleansed and free. I live the past and move into the new. All is well. Hernia: reputed relationships, strains, burdens, incorrect creative expressions. Affirmations: my mind is gentle and harmonious. I love and approve of myself. I am free to be me. Herpes: mass belief in sexual guilt and the need for punishment. Public shame: belief in a punishing God. Rejection of the genitals: my concept of God supports me. I am normal and natural. I rejoice in my own sexuality and in my own body. I am wonderful. H. Hips: carry the body in perfect balance. Major thrust is moving forward. Affirmations. Uh, Affirmations. I'll have to stop here. There is a phone coming. I'll continue later. There is GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer. Turn digital recruiter signing off. फोन तो बंद हो गया. फोन बंद हो गया. Hip problem. Hip hooray. Herpes. Hepatitis. Hemorrhoids. Where were we? I do not know. So I am stopping here. I'll start in the new video.